I just had a call with Andy. He is an impact investor from Singapore, and we discussed about options and investment opportunities all over. Now, I mentioned to him about, in fact, he know this already, but I repeated it again and asked for his advice, unsolicited advice about what should I do in sub-Saharan Africa, what investment should I proceed on, and what should I avoid. Now, this caught my attention. What he said that and asked how many farmers do I have contact with, and I said roughly around 36,000 smallholder farmers all over. There's about 49 countries in sub-Saharan Africa. And he said, it depends on you, Francis, on what you want to do. Would you want to create a one big venture in one country? Or do you want to help the hundreds or thousands of smallholder farmers that need your guidance, your support? So now, I want to ask you, farmers in sub-Saharan Africa, where do you want me to proceed on? Should I just focus on one big venture in sub-Saharan Africa, whether it's in West Africa or East Africa or South and Central Africa, which roughly will involve, it will provide jobs for sure, and it will make big money, but it will only cater to one country, one region. So that's the first option. Or should I proceed with the second option, which is helping as many farmers as I can? That will help a lot, right? But the cons of that is it won't be as big as the large investment that I'm planning to do. So this is more of like a question to you, like a survey on what do you want me to do, because I know some of you already have some ideas in mind. So please message me or comment down below on whatever you want or whatever bright ideas you have for our business opportunities in SSA.